Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi S3 Sportback TFSI 310 PSS Tronic. It comes finished in the stunning Glaizer White, sure to turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the car's done 5,500 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 10-spoke star style design, with the brake caliper painted in black with the iconic S embossed logo making a bold statement on the road. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with two handy cup holders for those longer journeys, finished with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For all you music lovers, you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, playing crystal clear audio on every journey. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease with all of your clear surroundings. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose from your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfortable for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of the heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up on the go with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.